Okay. Thanks for being honest.
He's lying to me.
Dylan?
You believe that? Where the hell is his family's morality?
Dylan. No, 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 no.
I don't know.
No, 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 no.
He's cold out.
So what do I do now? If I confront him, he's
Dilly.
just gonna lie to me again. Should I yell at him?
Dilly Willy is so silly. No. Dilly Willy is so silly. Dylan? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Dilly Willy is so silly. Dilly Willy is so silly. Dilly Willy is so silly.
Don't yell.
No, no.
Yeah, yelling's not a good way to go.
No, no.
Better idea.
I want to teach George Michael